Hey, welcome to Dude Cook's Office. Jeff here. Today I'm cooking up some duck soba. Wow, yeah. I found this smoked duck here, right, at a local supermarket. Very cheap. This is just in a Ziploc bag. I cut up half of that, and I'll show you what else I'm doing. So I'm sauteing, I'm actually boiling some, for the soup stock, some onions, I just had some leftover vegetables, so eggplant, like a half of a carrot or a quarter of a carrot even, the duck here, right, and some onions, like half an onion, quarter of a big onion. Okay, now I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make that the soup stock. I'm gonna boil the soba in here. So with this duck soba, I'm cooking the soup stock. I put some salt and pepper in it, and a bit of soup stock, a bit of bouillon in there, a bit of soup stock, and I'm just going to make this soup, right? Okay, I'm going to boil the soba separately. Why? Because it creates a lot of starch. I don't want a lot of starch in my soup because I love soba. Unfortunately, this is the lowest this goes. This is IH, right? And it just continually boils up. But alas, I'm just gonna have to deal with this. It's great for doing a lot of stuff, but sometimes it's not so great. So to save it from overcooking, I'm just gonna stop it right now until we get the soba boiled up. I'm gonna drain the soba, maybe rinse off the soba. And then I'm going to add it to the soup, back to the soup stock, and then I'm going to eat. Yeah. Soba has a tendency to like overboil. I'm going to give that about 3 minutes. So around 1 o'clock. A little bit before 1 o'clock. Okay, soba has a tendency to overboil. There's a lot of starch in here. I'm just going to wiggle this around and add some water in a moment. I'm just going to keep my eye on that. About 3 minutes for that. This one, I'm just resting it for a minute. I'm going to start it back up. Right. Might not rinse it off that much, but then I'll put it in here, put some menthiu in there, and then we'll have a taste test. I'm going to start this up again, by the way. And I'm going to put the soba in about a minute. Yeah. Okay, this is the duck soba I just did. Yeah. Quite good. The soup stock is really good. What a good lunch. That will do. Carrots, some eggplant. I boiled it so it's all soft now. Some onions. Little consomme powder. What else is there? So a little bit of garlic. A bit of shoga. Some black pepper. And here we are. See you next time.